Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Look, we all have those situations where we need money to pay our bills, to get our car fixed, and then the bank we've been banking with don't want to help us. The credit union don't want to help us, but we earn income, but our credit is just bad. Well, I'm gonna show you the best places you should take a look. Now, the first one is Wise Loans. Okay, and this is an online direct lender, and as you can see here. Wise loans, they start at 200 and go up to $1,500. All right, your first go around. Then your second go around, they go all the way up to $3,500. Now, here's the key with a lot of these lenders. Because you have challenging credit, the interest rate's definitely going to be much higher. Okay, that's just out there. But at the same time, when you can't go to family members and you can't go to your bank or credit union, you need money right away. Again, to pay a bill, to get your car fixed, or to put food on the table, then this is where you end up. And at least if you're making at least $1,000 after taxes, then you have a higher chance of qualifying. Now, the reason most people may get denied these type of loans is because when they put in that application, these people may have moved around to different areas. So, say that you stayed in apartment A and then you moved to apartment B, and you put your application in for the loan, and you put apartment B, but the third party financial credit bureaus, they have apartment A. Okay, and so it looks like fraud because the information is not matching up. Now, for some of you all probably wondering what is the third party financial credit bureaus. I'll explain those in a minute, but I just want to introduce you all to Wise Loan. Now, before we jump into these other loans, and please keep in mind, these other loans are high interest rate loans as well. But I always tell people, hey, if you got a job, go to your HR, request this form. It's called the W-4, and it's going to stop them from taking federal income taxes out of your check. Okay. And I always tell people to do this for at least 3 to 4 months. The reason is if you actually have enough money coming in your paycheck, then you're able to catch up on bills without struggling. Okay, so that's the reason why I tell people to do this. This is a website called findhelp.org. Okay, it's a free database, and what it does, it tells you about all the free programs in your area. And all you do is just put in your zip code up here, and it will tell you all the free programs to get assistance. So even if you qualify for these here type of loans, I would still tell you to use this resource because they offer food help, housing, goods, transit, help, money. So they offer a variety of resources to help you get back on your feet if you're struggling and you're having a hard time. Another direct lender that offers loans up to $5,000 is Rise Credit. Okay, so they offer loans in Delaware. Now, here's the thing about it: you can see those loans go from 300 up to 5,000. Now, like I was telling you and being transparent with some of these lenders, the interest rates is definitely going to be much higher than the banks and credit unions. So you have to keep that in mind. But at the same time, when you need money to pay your bills, to fix your transportation, to get food on the table. These are the type of lenders that are direct lenders. They don't have to go through as much red tape in order to help you. Mention about third party credit bureaus, okay? Financial credit bureaus that may have your outdated information. So these are third party financial credit bureaus, Clarity, IntelliCheck. And yes, you can actually get your financial credit report so you can see what data is on there. If there's any information outdated, you can dispute that information as well. But I just wanted to show you all that some of these lenders will use these here third party credit bureau instead of the major credit bureaus right here, right? And so they won't do a hard pull on your personal credit. All right. For you guys that are entrepreneurs, I would definitely tell you to check out Giggle Finance because they offer loans up to $5,000. Now, why would I tell you to check them out? The reason is you may not have a regular 9 to 5 job. You in the gig economy, you hustling and stuff, but you have an active checking account, but you have bad credit. Well, Giggle Finance is that place you want to go to, all right, to see if they're able to help you. Now, I must tell you, If you decide to accept whatever loan amount they offer you, okay, then when you start back making the payments, they're going to report it to TransUnion. But as you can see here, is no credit requirement. All right. So when you are an entrepreneur and you need money, but you have bad credit, this is definitely one of those places. Now, here's the criteria in order for you to get qualified for these type of loans. All right. You have to be receiving income in your bank account for at least 90 days. All right. And they're going to want to see proof of that. They're going to use very sensitive systems, decision logic to tap into your bank account to see if you're actually being transparent with them about the money that you're making. Now, the minimum that you should be making to get this type of loan, they usually want you between $1,200 to $1,500 a month in order to qualify. Another place that will help you get a loan in the state of Delaware is Check and Go. Okay. And again, Check and Go is another one of those direct lenders. All right. And as you can see here, they actually tell you what cities they're actually in. All right. Now, again, in terms of what do I need before I apply? All right. So, in terms of what you need before you apply, you have to have valid working phone number. This is very important. A lot of people get denied because they don't have an active phone number. They don't have an active bank account, a valid ID. So it's just basic stuff that they ask of you in order to help you get qualified. All right. Another place that you may want to check out that don't offer payday loans, but they offer installment loans, which is uh, Ace Cash Express. And as you can see here, they go up to $2,000. All right. Now, like I said, these here are lenders that offer small dollar loan. They're not going to be offering the 10,000 and 15,000. This is when you just need some money to help you get ahead, to get a few bills paid, to get caught up. Or another place that you may want to check out, and this is a platform. This is Green Dollar Loans. All right, so it's a platform, and as you can see, they go from 100 up to 5,000, and so the repayment terms is from 3 months up to 24 months. But look at the interest rate. It's 5.99 up to 35.99. Now, this is a platform, but they work with tribal lenders, okay? And again, with tribal lenders, some of them, because they're not regulated by the federal government, they may charge a much higher interest rate. But with this here type of platform, they try to look for lenders that work with people with bad credit, low income to help you get qualified for a loan, a short term loan or a payday loan, so that you can get back up on your feet. You heard me mention about tribal loans. So here's River Valley loans. All right. So with River Valley loan, they are in the state of Delaware as well. And as you can see, they go from 200 up to 3,000. All right. So again, if you're on benefits, government benefits, they are willing to work with you. All right. Now, like I said, for most of these lenders, long as you have an income of $1,000 or more after taxes, then they're able to work with you. That's basically saying $250 a week after taxes. All right. So that's what they mean. But they are very flexible to work with people. Now, here's the thing about it. Please keep in mind, again, by them being a tribal lender, of course, the interest rates is going to be much higher, but at the same time, unfortunately, when you need money and you can't go to nobody else, then these are the type of places that will give you the highest chance of approval. Okay. There's one other place, which is big buck loans. And as you can see, they offer loans from 100 up to $5,000 as well. And all FICO scores are welcome. And they try to help you get approved within 15 minutes. All right. So a lot of these lenders, they don't take a long time to make a decision on if they're going to help you or not. Right. And so that's very good. And I'll tell you something else with big buck loans being a platform, there you go. Their interest rates is 5.99 to 35.99 as well. And I hope this helps you. If you have questions, you can click the link in the description, schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.